Retirement wasn't supposed to feel like this, was it? You worked hard, you did all the right things, but now you're wondering if it was all for nothing. You're still working into your 60s, maybe even your 70s. The travel you dreamed of, time with the grandkids, even just relaxing, all of it feels out of reach. Well, I know how that feels. A few years ago, I thought I was on track too. Then I had a minor stroke and everything changed. I found I couldn't keep trading time for money. I was literally running out of both of it. So I looked at the job market. No one's hiring anybody my age. I didn't have time to start over or go back to school. So let's be honest. Continuing to work another 10 years just to maybe afford retirement? That's not a real good option either. So then I came across something that changed my outlook completely. And I want to share it with you. I watched a video that explained how regular people, not tech experts or some kind of gurus, people just like you and me, were building income streams online. Well, that one video, it opened my eyes to a world that I didn't even know existed. I realized that I could start earning online by promoting products and services that I actually believed in without having to create anything myself. Well, they showed me how affiliate marketing, print on demand, and drop shipping, they actually work in simple step-by-step ways that anybody can follow. Well, here's what really struck me. These business models, well, they work 24/7, even while you sleep, which means you can finally stop trading time for a paycheck and start getting back your time to enjoy this next chapter of life. So this concept, well, it's called authority marketing. It's not about being flashy or famous. It's about sharing value, helping other people, feeling good about what you do, and earning an income online in a way that doesn't rely on trading hours for dollars. And the company behind it, well, they've been teaching this for over 15 years with thousands of success stories to show for it. Why not you be the next one? And you might be thinking, well, I'm not tech savvy, I don't have time, maybe I'm too old to start something new. Well, I had all the same thoughts too. So if you can send an email and you can get online, you got what it takes. This isn't rocket science, and it beats the other options out there too. And you won't have to do this alone either. There's step-by-step help. They've got mentorship, there's coaches, and a community of people rooting for your success. So if you're stuck and tired of watching time slip away, don't leave this page without watching the video that I saw. This free video series opened my eyes to real options that most people never hear about, especially people like us who spent decades working hard and still feel like retirement is slipping through our fingers. So there's no pressure, just real strategies that can help you build an income online, even if you're not tech savvy, even if you're starting late. So click the link down there, enter your contact info, and watch that first video now. It could be the most important 10 minutes you've ever invested in your future in years. So don't just survive your later years. Take back control and start living them today.